Question number 3. After the break, we are starting question number 3. So, question number 3, what they are telling in the given figure 6.18. So, this is the diagram 6.18 we have. So, this I am taking, the bigger size I am taking, little bigger I am taking. Right, Raja? Because this I am going to consider as a horizontal diagram. That's what I am taking as it is. Okay, right. Right, Raja? Listen now. So here they are given LM parallel to CB. It's very important. Listen how they are moving like that. One by one we have to go. Listen. Then main diagram we are not going to use or what? Okay, then I will not. Main diagram let it be as it is. I'll use some other concept. Listen. First small diagram I'm drawing. What it is? First LM. See LM that you mention here. First whatever they are giving, that always will come in the middle of the diagram. That is parallel line. Okay. Second whatever they are given. Second it means first whatever they are giving, it will come as a parallel line. Understand? And second whatever they are giving, whatever they are giving, that will come always as a base. Base. Okay. Base. What is that base? CB. What is the base here? CB. Shall we go like that? Right. So LM parallel to what it is? CB. What we have to write? CB. You understand? Now we have to identify the top name. The top name what? From the main diagram. Come here once again for the main diagram. What is that? LM. LM parallel to what they said? CB. Then what it will be the top point here? A. This triangle they are telling. This triangle I am going to take. Do you understand? Right. What is the top point then? A. So I want to give right here A. So these two is a parallel. They are given that it's a parallel. LM parallel to CB they are said. No, that is the first diagram. Is it okay? Right. Right. Let it be as it is. Now for this, what is the result? Says first you write triangle ACB or ABC. ACB you write, not a problem. ACB LM parallel to CB, then BPT, basic proportionality theorem, is AL divide LC equal to AM divide MB. Answer number 1. That's it. Now we are going the second result. What they said? Second what they said? LM parallel to CD. Shall we go for drawing the second diagram? Second diagram. What is that? LN. The middle. First name always will come in middle of the diagram. I told you. Okay. And second name where it will come? In the base. CD. CD. It's very important. Okay. Right. The topper name we have to find by using the main diagram. LN. Here it is there. What is that? LN. They are given LN. Okay. Next CD. Here it is there. Then the topper point is what, Raja? A. Here also what is that? A. One more thing I told to forget in the first diagram. Order you should check. See, LC in the same side it should come. LC in the same side it should come. That also you have to check in the main diagram. Sometime while writing time, unknownly we can write like this. Instead of writing CD, if you are writing a DC also, it will become wrong. Do you understand? So also you should check. Not LD, LC should be there in the same side. Do you understand? Like that you should check the main diagram. It's very important. Main diagram you should check. Understand? Next ND one side. See, ND it is there in the one side. Have you understand? Right. Now what is the topper name I said? A I said. From the main diagram we are getting it. Topper name is A. Then it's parallel from the given condition. So in a triangle, what is the triangle name? ACD. Triangle ACD. What is parallel, my dear? LN parallel to CD. Then basic proportionality theorem is what says? AL divide LC equal to AN divide ND. Have we noticed the result 1 and result 2? Anything same? Anything same? Left hand side is same. Have you noticed it? What is left hand side in the numerator in the result 1? AL. Here there is a AL. Here there is a AL. Here there is a LC. Here also there is a LC. Then if left hand side is same from 1 and 2, what is same? Right hand side also same. Have you noticed it? Then from 1 and 2, we get right hand side is are equal. That is what? AM divided MB equal to AN divided ND. Do you understand? Now, what they asked to prove to us? They asked to prove AM divided AB. They asked to bring AB. AB in the sense, when we add AM, MB, only we will be getting what? AB. Then we have to add 1 on both sides. What I want to bring? 1 on both sides. This is as per original result I am going. Okay. If you want, by using the subdivision result also we are given, no? If they ask AM divided AB, we can write that AM first portion divided the big portion. Also we can write while writing the result itself. Do you understand? Equal to first portion divided the whole portion. Also you can write. That is what? Not by using original, by using subdivision part. Understand? But I am going with the original result. So I didn't get that AB fully, but I can bring by adding 1 on both sides. Shall we add? I told you, no, after adding 1 it will come. So add 1 on both sides. But in denominator what? Sorry, in numerator what we need? AM. AM should not change. So AM should be in denominator. Then only it never change. See, when we add 1, if you take cross multiple, MB plus AM you will be getting. Then divide MB. MB only standing separately. Here AM will be gone when we add. Have you noticed it? Then what we have to do? Whatever we need, that we have to keep it in the denominator. Okay, we need AM. So AM, if you keep it in the denominator, it never go anywhere. So you take reciprocal, then you add 1. Do you understand what I am speaking? Right. Shall we go now? Right. Now I am going to reciprocal, then I am going to add 1 on both sides. Okay. Right. So first reciprocal it. So reciprocal it. When I reciprocal, what I am getting? MB will go to numerator, AM will come in denominator. ND will go to numerator, AN will come in denominator. Do you understand? AM we need AM. AN we need AN. In both, whatever we need, it is in denominator. Now you add 1 on both sides, adding 1. So I am adding 1 and I am adding 1. Reciprocal and add 1 on both sides. We are doing reciprocal and we are adding 1 at a time. Okay. Now take cross multiple. Take cross multiple. What I am getting? So AM plus MB whole divide AM, which is equal to, here what I am getting? ND plus AN whole divide AN. So what I am getting after adding? AM plus MB. See, AM plus MB, which is equal to what? AB we can say from the main diagram. So I am getting AB divide. What I have? AM. What I have? AM equal to, like that, ND plus AN. What it is? AD. What it is? AD. Whole divide. What I have denominator? AN. What I have? AN. Again I want to take reciprocal, then only we will be getting the original what they asked to bring. Understand? Right. See, for adding 1 only I took a reciprocal. Then again I want to re-reciprocal, then only you will be getting the result like what they are given. Okay. Then reciprocal it. So when we reciprocal, what I am getting? What I am getting? AM will go to numerator, AB will come to denominator, which is equal to AN will go to numerator and AD will come to denominator. Hence proved. Okay. This one way. Listen, this is one way. I will write in green color, which is the shortcut which I said. If you want the green, you write. Okay. Green color is what now? After BPT is what I told you. After looking at the result. After looking at result, AM by AB is there. So AM, what it is? Here you write. AM by what, my dear? AB equal to AM in the sense first half divide a full portion, like that. Left hand side, first half divide full portion. What it is? AL divide full portion is what? AC. That you take 1. 1. Okay. Now you come to second. Here, the same manner. AN divide AD. AN divide AD means what is that? Full portion. Okay, which is equal. That means first portion divide a full portion. What is first portion? AL. What is the full portion? AC. This is second. Okay, va? From 1 and 2. Here, from 1 and 2, we get, have you noticed it? AL divide AC. In the both right hand side is same. Have you noticed it? Then what about left hand side? Equal. Then AM divide AB equal to AN divide AD. You will be getting this. If you take recipe, oh, no need to take recipe. That's it. We got N6 Pro. Within 3 steps, we can complete if you are using the subdivision corollary part. Okay. If you want, you go with substitution also. But the previous one is the original. Understand? You don't worry. But they will give both the result. They will give mark. But in the sense, you want to show very clearly what? After drawing the main diagram, this is the subdivision. After adding 1, we are getting like that. You have to show in the, what is that? In the sense, what all I wrote, that all the 6, that you can write. By using the Thales theorem, we can get these results. From that, one of this I am using like that, you can write. Understand? Then you can get it. You understand? No need to write all the 6, which you are using, that alone you mention. In the 6, main one you write, and which you are using, that you mention. The 2 you mention. Enough. Do you understand what I am telling? Right, fine. This is also one of the easiest way. Okay. But after looking the result, you have to choose the method where you have to go. Either original one or subdivisions like that. Understand? Shall we go now? Right. I'm going the 4th question. 4th question you see, Raja. Same manner. That is same manner. By looking diagram, you don't get confused. Diagram they are given a little bit something hard like that. You don't feel. We have to read the question. DE parallel to AC. What they are given? DE parallel to AC. Then you draw one diagram. One what is that diagram? What is that one triangle you draw? First name is what? DE. Then in middle you have to give DE. That's it. What is the second? What is the AC? Then see the main diagram where we have AC, where we have. See here we have. What is that? DE. Here we have DE. What is AC? Here we have AC. AC is the full triangle side. Then definitely it will be going to the big one. The big one. Then what is the triangle name? ABC. Okay. Then the top point is what? The top point is what? B. Like that only you have to find. Then you check BDA in single side. Is it there? BDA in single side. See the main diagram. BDA. See BDA in same side it should come. Understand? Like that BEC in same side. BEC in same side. It's coming. Then whatever we are done, it's correct. Shall we move now? Right. We are going to the answer. Right. Now see what we need, you see the result. Now we will go directly. Why we need to waste our time? BF divide FE. BF. It's not there. Here we can see then. BE divide EC. Then original result. Have you noticed it? Here. In the right hand side, BE divide EC they are asking. BE first half divide second half EC. Have you noticed it? Then what is that? What is that? Original theorem we have to go. Original Thales theorem we have to go. Direct theorem I'm going to use. So in a triangle BAC. What it is? BAC. They are given that DE parallel to AC. DE parallel to AC. Then BPT, basic proportionality theorem, is what says? BD divide DA equal to, like that, BE divide EC. Answer number 1. Whatever we need, we got. Have you noticed it? One result we got. Now we are going to do next one. Right. Next we have to go. What is the next name they are given? DF parallel to AE. Then I am going to draw the second one. Second triangle I am going to draw. What is that? DF. In the middle of the diagram we have to draw DF. DF we have to give. This is what? F. and AE in the bottom. The idea, this is you have to go always. Okay, right. Next, where we have a DF, some other, yeah, DF divide what, my dear? EAE. Then also it's what? It's going here only. Then the small triangle. Have you noticed it? The small triangle. What is the top name? B here also. Here also what it is? B. Then BF divide FE. See hints here. BF divide FE. The second result. So in a triangle, BAE, what is given? DF parallel to AE. What is given? Parallel to AE. Then, yeah, BPT is first portion BD divide DA equal to BF divide FE. Second, it's result number 2. From 1 and 2, what I am getting? From 1 and 2, we get, listen carefully, BD divide DA, same in the left hand side. Left hand side is same. What about right hand side? Same. That means BE divide EC equal to BF divide FE. This is we need to bring. Am I right? It can change left hand side, right hand side, but not a problem. Okay. So hence we got it. Hence proof. So hence we got that result. Okay, we are going the next. Is it okay? It's easy only, no? If you are very clear, 1, 2, third step we are getting. Remaining just we are writing the ideas. That's it. Okay. And in the previous also, if you know very well, the green color which I mentioned, result 1, result 2 and result 3. That also you can use. But since you mentioned clearly, we are using subdivision of the tails. Understand? That you mentioned. Then only they will give full mark. Understand? And I am going fifth one. Fifth one is little different. See, fifth one is what? Little different in the sense. Like third and fourth, they are given this parallel. We will be getting one result. For this, you will be getting one result. In third and fourth, here they asked to bring ratio answer. But here they asked to bring parallel answer. That means result we will be getting converse of tails we have to go. Do you understand? Then only see result is equal, it's a parallel. Parallel, then result is equal. Like that only. So result first I am going to bring equal. Then I am going to bring by using converse of tails, this will be equal. Sorry, parallel. Shall we do it now? Right. For all those you have to draw diagram first. For all the 3 you draw one by one diagram carefully. First, what they are given, small diagram, I am going to draw. DE parallel to what, man? OQ. Next diagram. What is that? DF parallel to OR. What is the third one? Third one actually you want to do in the since. Because third one we are going to bring as answer. So third one, let me write here. What is that? EF parallel to QR. Okay. So this is parallel to here. This is parallel to the base. And here also DE parallel to OR. Now we have to find the top name for each. Shall we find? What is the top name? DE. DE parallel to OQ. Then what is the top name? P. It's coming this triangle. Have you noticed it? Then what is the top name? P for this. And here DF parallel to OR. Then this also it's going the corner of the figure. Okay. Then what is the top name? For this also what, my dear? P. Right. Third one I'm going. Here we have EF parallel to QR. It's a full length of triangle. Then what is the top name? P. Am I right? For all those 3 you write the result now. All those 3 you write the result. Okay. Now you can write what are the result we need here. Because they didn't mention this, we need to bring like that. You write original tails, enough. So in a triangle, what is the triangle? POQ. What is parallel? DE parallel to OQ. Then BPT is Okay, for this one you wanna write. So in a triangle, what is that? POR. POR. What is that? DF parallel to OR. OR. Then BPT is we have to bring, and here in the sense, what is that result? PE divide EQ equal to PF divide FR. So this result, if you get, we can say what? EF parallel to QR. We are not going to bring EF parallel to QR. We are going to bring this, the circled answer. If you get this circled answer, we can say automatically EF parallel to QR. Do you understand? Then the circled answer is very important that you want to bring. Okay, right? PE divide what it is? EQ. PE divide EQ. Then first half divide second half. That is we are going to do. Shall we go now? Right. Write this now is PD divide DO. Write D and O little carefully. Okay. Right. Equal to PE divide EQ. Answer number 1. Let it be. Now for this, what we need other side? PF divide FR. PF divide FR. Have you noticed? Then the same. What it is? PD divide DO equal to PF divide FR. Result number 2. From 1 and 2, we get, have you noticed left hand side same? PD divided DO, PD divided DO from 1 and 2. Then right hand side is what? Equal. Then PE divide EQ equal to PF divide FR. So what we need, that we got. Have you noticed it? Have you noticed it? Then here you want to continue. Then the converse of BPT, we get, what we will get? EF parallel QR. That you write. EF parallel QR. Do you understand? See this diagram for rough diagram, rough purpose I have done this. But by using that only I am telling this is we are getting a parallel. Am I right? So our aim to bring the circled one answer. We got it, so I am telling. Then the converse of BPT, we getting EF parallel to QR. Have you noticed it? It's important. Same manner we have one more sum here. Can you take as homework? By looking diagram you don't get what is that here. We can do it. Diagram you want to identify. See the diagram. What they are telling here? AB parallel PQ. Then here AB parallel PQ. Understand? Second is what? AC parallel PR. So they said it's parallel. And we have to prove BC parallel QR. Top point you want to find by looking the main diagram. That's it. Very easy to go now. By looking diagram you don't get fear. It's very easy. The thing is you want to identify the top diagram. AB. Where is AB? AB. Parallel to what? PQ. Then what is the top point? O. That's it. Understand? Next AC here. AC. Oh, same color. AC and PR. Then top point is what? O again. Understand? Now, here, what is that? BC parallel to QR. Then what is the top point? O again. For this, we want to make a tails. That's it. You can do it, no? If you want to draw diagram, you draw. You're going to do as a homework. 6th is homework. Diagram alone, if you want to draw, you draw. 6th one is homework. Okay? Draw the diagram. Yeah, in textbook itself you draw. If you have an idea, I will rough. Can I go to next page? Right. Right. Seventh one I'm going. Seventh one, what they are telling, let's see children. Using theorem 6.1, that is what? Thales theorem. Thales theorem only we are telling, theorem 6.1. Prove that a line drawn through midpoint of the one side. Let me draw first, then I will read. What they are telling, first we have to take a triangle. I'm going to prove that a line drawn through a midpoint of one side of triangle. Okay, first I'm taking A, B, C. One side there is a midpoint, that is D. Midpoint in the sense these two will be equal. D is the midpoint of AB. AD equal to DB because it's a midpoint, no? Understand? So what they are telling, through the midpoint, I want to draw what? I want to draw parallel to another parallel line we have to draw. So parallel line, shall we draw now? Through midpoint D, I'm drawing a parallel line. So it's parallel line. It's parallel to the base. Okay. Parallel line I'm drawing. Parallel to, it's something missing, I think. Parallel to another side. Parallel to other side. Okay. Parallel to another side. Another side, the name parallel to third side it should come, I think. Okay, we can take, this is AB side, BC is another side, third side AC, like that you will consider. There is no other go. Okay, parallel to another side. Then the through D point, whatever I drawn, that is parallel to another side. That is B. Another side is what here? Another side is what? BC. No other go. Okay, right. It bisects the third side. What we want to say? Bisects the third side. That means AE equal to EC. Like that we have to bring. See, after what is that? Bisects the third side in the sense AE equal to EC. We have to prove. We have to prove. We have to prove it bisects the third side. It bisects third. That's what they are given here. Prove that this makes bisects the third side. Okay. So third side alone it divides equally, like that we have to bring. Shall we go? Question, do you understand? In a triangle, through one midpoint we are drawing one parallel line. It bisects the third side. What they are telling, it bisects third side. Bisects in the sense it divide equally, means equally AE equal to EC, that you need to bring. Okay. Bisects in the sense AE equal to EC. That's it. Okay, that you want to bring. Shall we go now to the answer? So in the given, they are given triangle ABC and D is midpoint of side AB. Then or that is, what is meaning of this line? The meaning of the line, AD equal to DB. Okay, AD equal to DB equal to half of the AB. Half of the AB. That is the meaning midpoint. Am I right? Okay. And one more point they are given, DE parallel to another side BC. What they asked to prove? To prove what is that? Parallel line bisects AC. That is AE equal to EC. This is the question. Do you understand? Given is triangle ABC, D is the midpoint they said. If it is midpoint, AD equal to DB, and they said D parallel to BC, and they asked to prove the parallel line bisects AC. That means the third side it bisects, like that they asked to say. That means AE equal to EC we have to bring. Shall we go? Right. The very important, they said parallel. Parallel, if they said what, we can go? Thales theorem. That's it, Ratanga. Thales theorem we can go very easily. So, in a triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, then BPT is, what is the BPT? Anyone? AD divide DB equal to AE divide EC. We know very well AD and DB what? Equal. Any one you keep it, another one you replace it. So AD let it be, DB I know it's equal to AD by using the result number 1. So I will mention here by 1 I know AD equal to DB. Understand? So that this AD, the denominator DB, I changed as AD. Okay. Now equal to what I have? AE divide EC. Same means we can cancel one time. So here 1 is there. Send to opposite. 1 into EC, EC equal to AE. I hope what we need to bring, we got it. Am I right? That's it, Radham. That is, it means what it means. That is this line. Parallel line. Parallel line. Yeah. Bisects AC. Or bisects the third side AC. Like that also you write, not a problem. Understand? Do you understand this question, Ra? Huh? Is it okay? And something they are given in bracket. Recall that you have proved it in class 9. What you proved? By using midpoint theorem. Do you remember it? Midpoint theorem says what? They will be telling DE parallel to BC, then D equal to half of the BC, and it divide two midpoint when we join. Then converse of midpoint theorem, we can say it will be like that. But there we no need to go. Here we are going with a Thales theorem result. Is it okay? Right. Shall we go one more? What is that one more? Eighth one. What is the eighth one says? We will see. Eighth one like same one only. But this what? Theorem 6.2. That is what? Converse of midpoint. That means opposite of Thales theorem. That means they will be giving result equal. We have to prove it's parallel like that. Okay. We will see. Using theorem 6.2. 6.2 we don't have proof. Proof we don't have. Am I right? But we are using the result. Okay. That is converse of midpoint. So prove that a line joining the midpoint of any two sides of triangle. Okay. Then what they are telling, there is a triangle A, B, C. So there is a midpoint here D. There is a midpoint here E. Both are midpoint. D and E are a midpoint. As per the question, they said midpoints means two midpoints or some other two or more midpoints of any two side midpoint they are going to join. So here I am taking AB midpoint D, AC midpoint E, I am going to join. When I join, what is happening? The question will read. After line joining the midpoint of any two side of triangle is parallel to the third side. What we have to say? See, when we join, it's coming parallel to the third side. Don't mention parallel. We have to say it's a parallel. That means what we have to say? Parallel to third side in the sense DE parallel to base BC we have to prove. Do you understand? They are given, both are midpoint. D is a midpoint, E is a midpoint. Do you understand, man? D is a midpoint, E is a midpoint. They are given. When we join two midpoint, it coming one line segment. That line segment makes parallel to the third side that you bring. Like that they are telling. Shall we go now? Right. Now I am going to write in the given. So in the given, we have a triangle ABC. D and E are midpoints of sides AB and AC respectively. Okay, respectively we are given. Right. Now that is If it is midpoint, what is the meaning? D is a midpoint, then what is the meaning? AD equal to DB equal to half the AB. Am I right? Like that. The right hand side, AE equal to EC equal to half the AC. Am I right? That is the meaning of D and E is the midpoint of side AB and EC. Am I right, children? Right, Raja. By using this, we have to prove what? To prove what we have to prove? DE parallel to the BC. When we can able to bring its parallel? If it is satisfied, Thales theorem. Thales theorem in the sense what? First portion divide second portion. That is what? DB equal to AE divided EC. If we get this result, we can say by using converse of Thales, it's satisfied. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? If you bring this result, we can say easily it's parallel. Am I right? Right. So this I'm taking as a 1. That means answer result is 1. Result is 1. The two thing I'm taking result 1. From result 1, I'm going to bring the required 1. Now listen. From 1 implies, what I have 1 implies? AD equal to DB I have, and down in the bottom AE equal to EC. From 1 I'm getting these two. Is it okay? Now in pencil you write what I'm writing now. So I'm consider multiply 1. Is it any change when I write multiple 1? When I multiply 1, is it any change? 1 multiply anything? Same. Right. Now multiple DB, when you bring opposite, divide DB, then what is this side? 1. Am I right? Okay. Same manner here, AE divide EC equal to 1. Am I right? This I'm taking result 2 and result 3. Both 2 and 3, what is the right hand side? 1. Then right hand side is same. What about left hand side? Same. That means equal. So from 2 and 3, we get right hand side is same, then left hand side is same. That is AD divide DB equal to AE divide EC. What I wrote in the bracket, we got it. Have you noticed it? Then what we can say? Then the converse of BPT or Thales theorem or a basic proportional theorem, you write converse of BPT, we get what I am getting? We get what I am getting? DE parallel to BC. You can write this. That I mentioned, DE parallel to BC. Have you noticed it? It's very simple. They will ask 2 mark, 3 mark, or sometime 5 mark. Okay, it's very easy. Very easily you can bring it. Shall we go next? Just 2 more sum I will complete. Don't worry. With this, this is the easiest one. It will not take much time. That you write with the something you're telling. What? With that converse. With the converse we are moving as per grammar. I love you. Okay, shall we? Day. Shall we go to next, or are you going to write what people feeling? Right. But I will give till 340. More than that I will not give. You write, not a problem.